Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about next altcoins just analysis. So the thumbnail, the title of this video, it's not a signal, it's just for YouTube algorithm. I hope you understand it. First altcoin, what I would like to analyze, it's Xion. Xion, almost, I guess, all of that 7 altcoins, what I will show you today, I already analyzed it. So this is just the updates. And if you watch it, the first videos after listening for these tokens, you save a lot of time, you save a lot of nerves, you save a lot of money. Because on Xion example, this is a BitGet chart. After listing, I marked the zones were okay, accumulated tokens. So the 328, 255, $1.52, $1.06, it was the okay and the best zone to accumulate this token. So if you get like, I don't know, 3-4 orders, limit orders, your entry now can be around $1.80. And if you work with proper risk management, yes, you're in losses, but definitely you're not like at $7 entry. So guys, if, for example, the logic also, you have to understand the markets and the charts, it's not always about the buy here, sell here, become rich. No, guys, it doesn't work like this one. If everything could be so simple, everybody could be the millionaire, right? So you have to understand it, right? And for example, if your entry, $1.80, and you follow the plan, you get a reason, you get a logic for that entry, what you can do now at the price 90 cents. No makes sense, use DCA all the time. So DCA is just like a magic pill from influencer, but it's not. Let's be real, you can DCA all your money in one single token and lose all your money at the end. So don't be trapped with that myth. So DCA will save your life. No, guys. And on BBL token, we will see the example. So for example, now 90 cents, your entry $1.80. What you can do when we talk about a spot, right? So your entry at least could be there with proper money management. So you can't invest all your money in one token, right? So it's not all about the chart of Xion or another token. You can't invest all money in Polkadot. You can't invest all money in XRP, HBAR. It's about diversification. It's about the money management, risk management. That's why if the price and when the price recover back to $1.80, you can make a decision again out at break even and forget about this asset, or wait longer. Where you mark before your entry, the price where will be the comfortable price to out of that token, but we can't control the time because a lot of people made a huge mistake. They always ask, can I buy now this token and take a profit in, for example, this June? Why this June? Why? Because you need money for vacation from the crypto market? So it's kind of stupid, right? So you have to understand it. And you can't just wait some price target by time, you know. So we can't know the time. Maybe the market will be 2 years in a row in this range, like $1, $2 and not $1. We can't know. We can't know, guys. That's why don't invest that money what you can't afford to invest, what you need for a living. So it's just a simple logic. So for Xion, this is the best zone to buy with fixation profit after 100%. For example, at $1.80, you can withdraw your initial deposit. And my target for Xion, it's around $7.48, $8.03. It's a conservative price target based on this model. And the next step is all-time high over than $12. So yes. Targets absolutely relevant. Invalidation of idea, it's a dump on the listing price. What to do if the token dump it on the listing price? So to save the time and not repeat again the same information, I highly recommend you go and watch the previous videos, at least about a Starknet or previous videos about altcoins where I explain it everything pretty well on IVO example. So got it. Take a look with my customer Kasab, what's going on now on the daily and the weekly. So this is accumulation. Whales accumulate. This is capitulation on market mode. Everything okay. Now it's not a time to out of this token 100%. But of course, if you want to try accumulate this token, just work with proper money management because you have to understand everything possible. And you have to keep in mind this scenario. So one day, maybe we will drop under 20 cents. Is it possible? Yes, of course. So if you're not ready, just do nothing. Just don't invest in it, because this channel is not about like buy every single dip and one day you will be rich. No, guys. Maybe one day you will lose all your money and go to McDonald's. This is a buy, bounce, buy. So technically the whales accumulates. So but a daily is for like swing trades intraday. At least on a daily, it's comfortable price for accumulation, like around $1.50. It's comfortable price around 80 cents. So in average, we can say the $1.60 is comfortable price for the whales for accumulation. Trade on money power, no data, and trade on also no data on the weekly. Last indicator is take profit. Take profit on the weekly, no data. Daily time frame, no data. 12-hour time frame. We trade around the fundamental wall. So if you watch the previous videos, you understand now almost all altcoins in the same condition like sign. So the targets is now take profits $2.21, exit line $2.51. Got it. BBL. And I highly recommend you guys go and watch the first video about Xion to understand the logic. So in educational purpose, you will understand the logic and not repeat the same mistake with other tokens. BBL, guys, pure scam. Yes, we can call every single token pure scam like this one, but come on. Why for me it looks like a money laundering now? Because take a look. This is what I repeat all the time. Fundamental, absolute doesn't matter. Absolute fundamental, it's like candy wrap. It's a trap for us. BBL fundraising rounds, take a look. Crazy investor in the bakers. Wow, right? So how these guys can invest in this token, right? And the chart looks like this one. Maybe because we got a vesting schedule. And the problem here on the vesting schedule timeline. Treasury, liner unlock 3 years, 5%. Ecosystem, 5%, 150 million, 159 million. Community airdrop. So it's not a community dump, right? Airdrop. Protocol development, pre-seed round, public sale round already out. So it's kind of weird, you know, how the but it's kind of weird how they manipulate the chart and how they manipulate the marketing campaign about this token. So they tell you, so the BBL, Beoble is a communication infrastructure and ecosystem that allows users to chat between the wallets. Amazing, right? Sounds like next future SocialFi. So this is our Web3 social. I can say we got a bright future for this social in this case, if the chart looks like this one. Or maybe, once again, we come back to the point of if they got some project, right? If they got some services, why do they need a token? Why we can't just use that Beoble service, chatting between the wallets without a token? Why we have to invest in this token? So that's okay, and they promise. So this is a great one. This is going to be the future. So don't miss the SocialFi, don't miss the Web3 messengers. And if we will see one day something like this one, of course, here they will tell you, I told you, as predicted. I told you it was a right project to enter, but we dump it from 46 cents, dump it to 0.201. It's craziness, guys. That's why I now know don't pay attention for fundamental, because like I explained before about a project, about fundraising rounds, about all of that stuff, they can post whatever they want, but at the end, only charts matter for investors. Take a look from 48 million market capitalization, we dump it to 349K capitalization with FDV still 1.63 million and only 21% tokens in circulation supply. Of course, logically, with the altcoin season, even the BBL will pump. That's why mark your entry, mark your exit. But all of that marketing campaign about a BBL. It's a future of messengers and all of that stuff. It's just a marketing campaign, just a fake. So this is accumulation with the warrants. All right, we lay down at the bottom of the direction. So sooner or later, anyway, guys, so this token will recover back, but to this top, we're in the capitulation zone, this belief here. Sooner or later, we will recover back, but we just wasted the time. So this is the bad things about BBL. Trade on, money power, take profit. Here's a money inflow, a 0.1 cent money inflow, a 0.2019 and money inflow. So this is not a money outflow, but soon later we will see the money outflow, and it's going to be the time to out of this project. Monthly time frame, no data. Trade on a daily, on a weekly, nothing. Here's a buy. So step by step they accumulate. Also we trade on the fundamental volume. So here where you can fix the profit. If you want to invest now at take profit, it's 0.2053. This is where you can fix your profit if you never invested in this token before and want to buy now. Now, of course, it's a good potential risk reward. I stuck in this token around, I guess, around 12 cents. Yes, it's a huge mistake, but what can I do now? No makes sense to cut losses. No makes sense blame the market. No makes sense to blame the funds. It was only my decision, only my mistake. So I wait, and I hope I will out at monthly favorable gap around the break even, if it's going to be just a miracle if I will out here. So I'll be happy. And unfortunately, yes, guys, sometimes it's happened. And also, I don't type this token now for DCA, because like you can see, imagine if I use DCA all this period, I will just waste all my money. Fool. The same story, the listing on a Bybit, and we almost, no, we touch it. Yes, we touch it till penny, the listing price, 1 cent, bounce it. Can we drop lower? Of course we can. You saw the example on BBL. So guys, everything possible. Everything possible. Also, after this fancy age of farming, you know, people just dump the fundamental utility token down. So what's the point of the fundamental? These charts are just a good reminder for us. So everything what you see on the charts here, everybody who see around the crypto space is just here for the money at the end. Nobody care about this attach, right? So don't listen all of this fairy tales about attach and that stuff. So check ADZ direction market mode. Still Afria, it's kind of bad. ADZ direction, no data. Daily time frame, this is accumulation. The warranty on a daily is good one, so it's more bullish than bearish. Also, we're in capitulation on a daily, direction at the bottom. A lot of bullish signals, but we can't know when these tokens will bounce. Trade on, money power, take profit. Weekly time frame, no data. Daily time frame, money inflow, buy, bounce, drop. No new signal to buy. Take a look, the 12 time frame, take profit. The same story. We trade on the fundamental value. Take profit line, it's 3 cents. Safety trade after 100% profit, you can withdraw initial deposit. My take swing trades, it's 5 cents 65, 6 cents 0.14. This is where you need to fix some profit and potential all-time high. But keep in mind, not all tokens will hit the new all-time high this cycle. Magic add-on after listing on Binance and BitGet, so we drop to the best zone to buy. So at least if you not hop into Magic add-on after listing, you save a lot of time, save a lot of nerves, and made the right decision. So you remember, on next day, $7.40, now $1.31. So if you watch it on my videos, you did everything right. Zones for fixation profit, swing trades $6.64, $7.15. Nothing changed, $9.10. When you see some weeks like this one, at least we can come back and close 50% of this week. So it's around 12 cents or $12.40. New all-time high possible, a new all-time low possible. We just in accumulation zone. So just by time, for example, if we will see something like this one by end of May, it will be logical to sell, fix some profit. Sometimes it's much harder to press sell than buy. Accumulation, the warranty, time to fly, right? Capitulation zone on a market move. Weekly time frame. Market mood, it's capitulation. Direction, it's no data. ADZ, no data. Got it. Let's check with money power. Trade on, take profit. No data on weekly, daily. Here's a money inflow. Buy. So the will step by step, or trade, or speculate, or accumulate this token. So just in case, take profit. This is a money power, only money inflow, magic add-on. No data on the daily time frame. 12 time frame, the same story, guys. So we trade like many other tokens traded before here on the fair value. Now we can test again buy line like $1.19. For my value, it's 88 cents 25 in the best zone to buy. So take profit is $2.35, exit line $2.65. Move here. This is the first zone of interest. This is the next one. Pretty simple. Maybe we'll see the test of this zone, maybe not. So guys, we can't know the future, but at least, and now 43 cents is much better than hop into this token at $1.20. Just in case, all zones relevant. Take a look, ADZ direction market mood. Capitulation, accumulation here on ADZ, lay down at the bottom of direction, so everything good. I don't like, of course, some tokens which still in a free by market mode, but what we can do? Nothing. We have to be ready for any case scenario, right? Money power, weekly time frame, no data, daily time frame. Here's the money inflow, 1, 2, 3 days in a row. Money inflow pump. So in average, it was like 65 cents, pump to 89, drop. No new money inflow. And take profit, we tested the buy line, try and hold the line. So for the value of the token on 12 time frame, it's 31 cents. Take profit, it's around 82.70. Whole target's relevant. Next target is where to fix the profit at 86 and 92 and new all-time high. Guys, this is just a quick update where we're now, because all main targets I showed you before. This is a intention accumulation pump model for ACX. And this was a Binance listing like usual, right? So everybody's screaming, we're going to the moon. It's not necessary, so we will drop again to the 3 cents or 2 cents. I don't think so. Right? Because this is not a brand new token. It's since the November, it's only 82. Got it. So, and that time, everything playing out perfectly well. And the Binance listing at, wow, at $2, it's not a buy news, guys, just in case, just be real. So let's check, let's hide the FIB, and let's check the monthly gaps. Where we're now, we're still in the uptrend, because a lot of people draw that uptrend line like this one, right? So the support, we're breaking out. Now we have to open the short. If yes, of course, the next step will be this liquidity pool, and the monthly fee will get 8 cents. But should we drop so low? I don't think so. I think it would be good to see something like this one, at least 50% of this weak candle. And maybe it's going to be the end of cycle for this token. Maybe because it was a great entry from 3 cents to $2. Open the chart of Matic, how the Matic performed last cycle. And compare the gains, because the people, I don't know why, wait some crazy 100x for each token. It doesn't work like this one. Take a look with my customer set on a monthly. I don't like direction we in a middle line here. I don't like here we are still in a free on a monthly time frame. I don't like money power at the top without any money inflow. Finally here, it was accumulation. This is accumulation. This is a capitulation. So at least some bounce we can expect. Need to see the money inflow on the weekly. This one. So like it was here. But we will see. We will see. Take profit and trade on. Sell, drop, no new signal to buy. Unfortunately, guys, we can close the trade on. Here, the buy line. The buy line for this token on the weekly, it's 17 cents. It's not necessary, so we will drop, but it's possible. Now we trade around the fundamental value, so it can be this move. For example, if we hold the line now, in March, it can be this move. And after that, capitulation down. So just in case, guys, weekly time frame, I showed you the targets. And it's hard to say, are we hit a new all-time high or not? Maybe it was the end of cycle around $2. But at least I think we can test $1.46. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 altcoins, not 7. Tokens, what I analyzed for today. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what do you think about all these tokens. If you'd like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.